In this video, we're going to be talking about slope-intercept form. So what is slope-intercept form? Well, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So the question becomes, well, what does slope-intercept form actually tell you? Well, the m tells you the slope of your line. It means what is the constant rate of change? It tells you that. And the b tells you your y-intercept. So it tells you where your line crosses the y-intercept, or the y-axis rather. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some examples where we're going to find the slope and the y-intercept of the graph of the linear equations, because now we know what the slope-intercept form tells us. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at these. You probably don't need all that room. There we go. So we have, for part A, we have y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 2. So we want to start off, we want to know, gosh, what is our slope, right? What is our slope? And here, we should have a slope value of, well, what is in the m's place? And in the m's place, we have negative 3 over 4. So our slope should be negative 3 over 4. Well, what is in our y-intercept spot? And so the question there becomes, well, the y-intercept is given by the b. So what's in the b's place? And here we have a positive 2. So that means that our y-intercept is at a value of 2. Sometimes that's written as 0, 2 as well. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at letter B. I'm going to let you try this one on your own. So I want you to push pause and then find the slope and find the y-intercept, and then when you're done, push play and let's see if you were right. So here we go. So our slope, remember, it should be in the m's spot. And so here, if we have y equals mx plus b, we see that in our m's spot, right, in our m spot, we have the number 5. So our slope is the number 5. But notice that we don't have anything in our plus b. And so our y-intercept is going to be the value 0. Let's take a look at letter C. Here we have 6x plus 4y equals 24. And this is not written in slope-intercept form. But luckily, we can do that. All we need to do is get the y by itself. And in order to do that, we'll move our 6x over. And that's going to give us a 4y equals negative 6x plus 24. Then we'll divide everything by 4. And that's going to give us y equals negative 3 halves x plus 6. And so now we can find our slope and we can find our y-intercept. So take a look at that. What's in the m's spot? What's in the slope's spot? That's right. The negative 3 halves is in the slope spot. So now, what's in the b's spot? What's in the y-intercept's spot? That's right, it's that positive 6. So our y-intercept is the number 6. So slope-intercept form gives us some pretty important information about our function and what the graph might look like. So it's important to know that.